Are you looking for a portable eddy current device? Stay tuned. We have a new instrument for you. The TCM is a lightweight portable eddy current device with a large touchscreen that can perform flaw testing and conductivity measurements in a single instrument. The TCM has many available probes and accessories. Adapters are also available to connect most other manufacturers' hand probes for crack detection. When using a rotating probe, you can enhance your experience with the C-scan display, which gives you accurate defect size and location information. The TCM also has an auto set feature, which allows for a quick setup, even by inexperienced operators. When using the impedance display, you can sort between different alloys. The TCM accurately tests between 1 to 112% IACS at 4 different testing frequencies, which outperforms other competitors. All of these features are packed into the TCM. Please subscribe for more information and application news.